Hello and assalamu alaikum. My name is Hamza Asif Dyer, and my topic for today's vlog is a business plan that we have developed keeping in view the lean canvas model. With regards to the lean canvas model, it will be explained by my group members in this video, but right now I will be explaining you about the business model, what business model that we have developed and the plan that we have and we are going to implement in the future. The plan that we have is to recycle the plastic in order to make polyester fiber. The polyester fiber is widely it is nearly used by 70% of our population worldwide. The polished fiber is widely used to create cardboards, car body parts, and it is also used to make garments. So what we can do is that instead of wasting the plastic, what we can use this plastic in creating the polyester fiber. Recycling the plastic has a lot of advantages. The main advantage and one of the most important advantage, and it is being seen by most of the communities, is that it will help protect the environment. Millions of tons of plastic is dumped into the rivers and it's being burnt, which damages and cause a lot of pollution. It damages our marine life. So instead of wasting this plastic, we can use and to make the polyester, which will benefit and will help us in creating a much better environment. This practice is not widely used in Pakistan, so we can bring it here and implement it and introduce the recycling of the plastic to benefit our community. That was it from my side. Now I will forward this vlog to Ahmed, who will explain about the lean canvas model and how we will implement this business model. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahmed Raza and I would like to tell you about the Lean Canvas model. Lean Canvas model is a business startup template. It is basically a visual chart which describes problems and solution of the firms, that what are the problems they are facing during selling their products and what are the solution to those problems. It also describes the cost structure and different revenue models, that what are the main expenses they have to cover and what gross margin or gross profit they are getting after selling their product. It also describes that what type of customer they are targeting and how they are making their product more attractive to gain customers.
Hi, my name is Hamza Hanif. I'll be explaining customer relationships and value proposition. Customer relationship is the way you deal with your existing customers, what benefits you are giving to your existing customers, and the loyalty of the customer is all about customer relationship. Value proposition refers to a value a company promises to their customers to buy their product. Value proposition is a company's overall statement, marketing strategy of how their product is best suitable for the customers and why should the customer buy their products.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Sayyid Haider. Today my topic is customer segmentations and key resources. First I'm telling about the customer segmentations, then key resources. What is a customer segmentation? Customer segmentation is a process that divided into customers to each groups, so company can market to each groups effectively. कस्टमर सेगमेंटेशन के अंदर हम कस्टमर को डिवाइड करते हैं हर एक ग्रुप के अंदर. लाइक इन बिजनेस टू बिजनेस के अंदर हम क्या करते हैं, अकॉर्डिंग द वाइड रेंज फैक्टर्स, जिसमें हमारी इंडस्ट्रीज़ भी आ जाती हैं, हमारी लोकेशंस आ जाती हैं, हमारी नंबर ऑफ़ एम्प्लॉयर्स आ जाते हैं एंड हमारी प्रीवियस प्रोडक्ट जो परचेज हुई कंपनी की वो आ जाती हैं. एंड इन बिजनेस टू कस्टमर के अंदर हम क्या करते हैं, ये हम डेमोग्राफिक के हिसाब से अकॉर्डिंग टू द डेमोग्राफिक, लाइक जिसके अंदर हमारी एज आ जाती हैं, मटीरियल स्टेट्स आ जाती हैं, जेंडर्स आ जाते हैं, हमारे लोकेशंस आ जाती हैं. लोकेशंस लाइक जिसके अंदर हमारा अर्बन हो, सब अर्बन हो और रूरल हो, एंड लाइफ स्टेज आ जाते हैं. एंड की रिसोर्सेज क्या होता है? की रिसोर्स इज द मेन इनपुट ऑफ योर कंपनी दैट यू क्रिएट इट्स प्रपोजिशन सर्विसेज to the customer segment and deliver to the product to the customers. Thank you so much.
topic name is revenue stream. Generating revenue is the main focus of every business organization, but in our case, we have to focus on how to generate a revenue, while keep in mind and improvising those key factors that we should recycle our product in the best way possible from the usage of huge industrial buyer. Second, to keep the recycling factor environmental friendly. Third, make sure that our recycling of product is cost effective and efficient. Fourth one is make sure our customers are liking and complementing our way of doing business. The conclusion is we hope to implement this idea and generate revenue through it. Thank you for providing us the opportunity to develop such a plan.
Thank you.